Alright, welcome back to Special Tech. Today's video I'm going to be looking at my new laptop. Now first I gotta address the reason I have not been uploading for the past 3 months is because this thing is not working. Yeah, this is my main editing rig I use for making YouTube videos. The problem is it keeps on freezing and freezing every time you click the trackpad. There, it'll lock up all of a sudden. Well, I don't have the battery in this thing because I've decommissioned. Yeah, been having those problems for the last few months, so I had to get something. So, wham! It's a HP. This is a ProBook 640G4 from 2018. This has an i5-7300U. 32 gigs of 2133 mega transfers per second of DDR4 and 828 gig SSD. Well, I don't need that much storage because I edit on an external storage drive. Yeah, this is a 14-inch notebook. Give you a little idea of the ports. Got your Kensington slot, USB 3.0 super speed, headphone jack. That's something the new iPhones don't have. And a smart card reader, a feature I never use. Wait for it to focus. We got the plug, micro SD card, focus. Micro SD and a HP dock connector, VGA, focus, Ethernet, HDMI. 2 more USB 3.0 super speeds, and a USB-C. I have to have USB-C, and your HDD indicator. This notebook has a 14-inch screen, which I really like, and we're going to just show you. Well, if the light don't. Yeah, I don't know who is that channel. I don't know who owns that channel. Type in my password. There. Let me zoom back out. There. There's a desktop. This has a full HD screen I like. Full 1080p on a 14-inch. That is a sweet spot for a 14-inch, I think. It's full 1080p. And I like how, see that? So that don't focus, so that don't focus. Yep, get back to it. Here's the keyboard, not backlit, trackpad. Here we get my phone sticker. And there's one other thing I got. And it runs Windows 10. Because I don't want the new freaking Copilot Plus PC things. I don't like Windows 11 at all. So I'm sticking with 10 to the end. Yeah, Windows 10 ends in October 14th of 2025 at 8 o'clock. Yeah, that's when it's going to receive its final update. The problem with Windows 11, I don't like, is those stupid